Come back, butterfly. I want to see you. Oh no! My castle fell down. Pretty flowers. I will give them to Mommy. Higher, Lily. Push me higher. Okay, but hold on tight.
The flowers need water every morning. They grow big and strong.
Daddy, look, I picked flowers.
Beautiful flowers, Lily. Good job.
I made fresh lemonade for everyone. It's a hot day.
It's sour.
But sweet too, right?
I caught one!
Me too. Pop. Good throw, Max. Try again.
Catch, Daddy.
Thank you, Lily. These flowers are so pretty.
I picked them for you, Mommy.
Would you like to help me bake cookies?
Yes! Yes! Cookies! I love cookies. Me too. Chocolate chip cookies. We must wash our hands before cooking.
My hands are clean now.
Not too much water, Max. Just a little.
Okay, Daddy. I'm washing.
Here are all the things we need. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and chocolate chips.
Can I pour the chocolate chips? I want to help too. Pour slowly, Lily.
Very good. I'm doing it.
Oops. A little spilled. That's okay, Max.
Sorry, Daddy.
Tap the egg gently, then open it. Like this?
Wow, the egg opened.
Yes. Magic, right?
Stir together. 1, 2, 3, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Lots of chocolate chips. Yummy. The dough is thick.
We stir together.
So heavy.
We put the cookies on this paper.
Wow.
Then we bake them in the oven.
Make them round like balls. Good job, Lily.
This one is perfect.
I made a cookie.
Great work, Max. You're a good helper.
The oven is very hot. Stay back, please. Now we wait. The cookies bake for 12 minutes.
Is it ready yet? I want cookies now.
I want cookies now.
Stack them carefully. One more block.
It's very tall. I'm making a rainbow.
Beautiful colors, Lily.
The cookies are ready.
They look perfect. Smell the cookies. The cookies are very hot. We must let them cool down.
Not yet, Max.
They are still hot. You will burn your hand.
Oh. Okay, Daddy.
cold milk goes perfectly with warm cookies.
I put the napkins here. I bring the plates.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 cookies. Perfect.
Now we can eat them. Who wants the first cookie?
Me! Me! It smells so good. Mmm. Yummy. So good.
These are delicious.
We did a great job.
The milk is cold and yummy.
You have chocolate everywhere, Max.
Because cookies are yummy.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7.
We saved some cookies for later and for Daddy's lunch.
Look, Daddy! Bubbles!
Yes, cleaning makes bubbles.
I'm helping clean, Mommy.
Thank you, Lily. You're a great helper.
We made delicious cookies together today.
Are you tired, Max? A little bit. Look, Daddy! The birds are singing.
Yes, they're happy today.
So many cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's save these cookies for Grandma tomorrow.
Grandma will love them. I put them up high.
Good job. Safe until tomorrow.
This is the door, Max. And this is the roof.
Dinner will be ready soon.
Today was a fun day.
Yes!
We baked cookies together.
Brush all your teeth. Good. Now rinse.
Sweet dreams, Lily and Max.
You were great helpers today.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, Daddy. We love you. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.